Hey everybody, my name's Luis Lopez. I'm doing a review on my Extreme Fortunes subscription. I've had this subscription for 7 months and I've bought in a total of 16 stocks through this membership. Three of them are already sold, so I'm no longer trading them. Out of those three, only one had a gain, the other two had losses. So right now I have a total of 14 stocks that are still being traded, and I just wanted to do show you guys in a I did a graph, like not a graph, like an Excel spreadsheet, so you guys can see all of them, including the ones that I sold. And so this membership is through Banyan Hill Publishing. It's a $5,000 membership. They got other memberships too with different prices, but this is like the premium um, membership. They got maybe like I don't know 10 different premium memberships which are pricey, like they cost 5,000, one costs 10,000, there's some that cost like 3,000, different prices, but they're all for like 1 year, and after the year ends like you have to renew it, so you got to pay another 5,000 or whatever the price of the membership is. So but there's also cheaper ones. They got Profits Unlimited, which is like $200 membership. I think it's 100. I'm not sure, but 200 or 100, one of those. There's cheaper memberships that I've gotten also. I got Profits Unlimited, but it expired already. I didn't renew it, and currently I have Total Wealth Insider, which is still active. So here's the spreadsheet that I wanted to show. Just a little side note, I just wanted to say if my video starts with the red, that means that I'm at a loss still, but if it starts with this title and it's green, that means that I've already at a gain. But so far I'm at a loss of 1,700, around there, 700 and something. But here is the so this is my spreadsheet. I put down all 16 stocks that I've bought in, and there has been some stocks that were recommended in October and November that I didn't buy. I out of November, I think I only bought one in November that was recommended for November, but there was a total of three stocks recommended for November, and also I bought in November another stock that was recommended maybe in August, but I bought it in November because I think at the time wanna I didn't have enough to put the $1,000, because each stock here, um, I'm buying it at $1,000. But actually, the last two, the ones in November, I put in only. Oh yeah, I put in 1,000. But so all of these, I've put in. I bought them for $1,000, and so it's a total of 16, and there's three of them that have been sold. Like if you can see here where it says sold, those I no longer own them. Those stocks are already sold. So for June, I did sell a stock that I maybe held for about 2 months. I think it was, yeah, about 2 months, and I made a $298 on it. It shows here how much I made in dollar amount, 298. This is the percentage, 29.84%. So these other two here, I lost money. If it's red, it's because I lost money. So this one I lost $567, and this one I lost $387. Those two are already sold, so those I don't own anymore. So right here on this column, it shows the recommended buy price by Extreme Fortunes, and over here on this other column, it shows the price I paid, what I bought it for. Like for instance, this one, they probably bought this one maybe in January, but I bought it in May. So in May it was a lot more expensive. It was $16 a share, and they bought it at $8 a share. Maybe in January. I'm not sure if it was January, but it was months back. So at one point in May, when I bought it, they were up like 100%. But that stock has been going down. Ever since I bought it, it started going down, and so far on that one, I'm 61% loss. So that's $613 loss. And this is a pot stock, so most of the pot stocks have been going down, but they say they're gonna go up again. So this is one of the pot stocks I own, like a cannabis stock. But there's these other ones uh, that I've bought in. So some I I bought them like almost at the same price they that Extreme Fortunes recommended. For instance, this one here, uh, it was recommended at 79 cents, and I bought it at 91 cents. So it was almost about the same. And this one I bought it at a dollar. I bought it at $1.01. It was recommended at $1.36. So I just wanted to show you, like, show everybody how I've been doing since April of 2019. It's been about 7 months because I bought the membership. It was like April 28th when I bought the membership. So pretty much since May I've been doing this, and this is the total loss I have overall with all the gain and all the losses. It's a loss of $1,729. So I also wanted to say, when I was because I when I had Profits Unlimited, like, I had this thing where they send me promotion emails, and I got into promotion emails by Extreme Fortunes. And usually on every promotion email there's a video, 1 hour video that you can't fast forward. So on this video, it pretty much towards the end it said that I could have this membership for $4,000, and I got it. But so this membership, it was what it pretty much says, like, they're looking for companies, like, the companies they recommend all have the potential to go up 1,000%. And I can show you guys on their website, like, not to put them on blast or anything, but just to show, like, the reality of things, because when I bought the membership, like, I already knew, like he was saying in his video, if I get the membership, I get to see all the past positions that have been closed. So I would be able to see how much they made on past positions. So I was thinking I was gonna see, like, a lot of different $1,000 gains of companies, but the one that had the most gain was a $500 gain. I can go to the website. I'm gonna screenshot it. Record my screen so you guys can see the website. But yeah. So another thing they said, like, they said, I Paul McPilly, the pretty much, like, he's like the owner of Banyan Hill. I'm not sure if he's the owner or the CEO or what exactly he is, but I think he's like the owner of that company. But he was saying, if you invest $10,000 through Extreme Fortunes, I'm guarantee uh, 250 $250,000 gain in a year, in 1 year. So he's saying you put in $10,000 into the companies we recommend, and I guarantee you that you're gonna make $250,000. So so when somebody guarantees something, it's like, it's a for sure thing, right? So I was like, okay, that he's guaranteeing it. I'm gonna buy this membership. So I bought the membership. But also he says, if you don't make that $250,000 gain, we will give you one year membership free the following year. So because this subscription only lasts 1 year, and so if I don't make that money next year, I get a free membership for the whole year. And he also offers a lifetime membership at a higher price, but I didn't get it because I first just wanted to try it out, see how it goes. Like, I guess there has been some people that have done good. So far, it hasn't been like that with me. But I'm just kind of doing a YouTube video showing my experience. I'm not recommending this. I'm just kind of like putting this out there because I know when I was looking up YouTube videos on customer reviews for this membership, there was none. So this is just my personal like review and like experience of Extreme Fortunes. But it's just showing how it's been for me. But I can go to the website. So I know on my other videos I've showed it, but my last video the whole screen wasn't showing. But I figured out how to show the whole screen, so it should come out a little nicer this time. So let me show you guys the website. Here it goes. So here's the website, Banyan Hill Extreme Fortunes. I googled this, like I just was googling different, like I was trying to find stock recommendations, and like there's different ones. There's Motley Hill or Motley Fool or something like that, but I didn't get it because I, I I just felt like I just wanted to try this one out, see how this one goes. But like for me, like hasn't gone good for so far, but I'm hoping things turn around maybe later on. But so this is all the sectors he has, and then on the very bottom it says past position. So when I got the membership, I thought I was gonna, I did, I went straight to past positions because I wanted to see the the results on his past positions. I thought I was gonna see like $1,000, 1,000% gains, 800% gains, 700% gains, like something, high, because all his recommendations are for 1,000% gains. So when I clicked it, there was only one that was like a 500% gain. All the other ones are like under. So I can show you this. So here it is. Like all the ones that say sold on is because they already been sold and their past positions they're no longer being traded on the stock market. Like they are traded in the stock market, but they pulled out of the company. Like they sold the company and they no longer own these companies. So here's all the companies that they have sold, and like right here it shows open date, buy price, like how much they paid for it. Current price, it doesn't show it because I guess since they sold it, they don't want to put the current price. But on some of these, like well, I guess I won't say that. But so this is the only one that was a 524% gain, and he held it. He bought it in February 7th, 2017, and sold it in um, July 6th, 2018. So over a year, like a year and a few months, and it gave him a 524% gain. But like other than that, like there's a lot of negatives here. Let me see. The next big one would be this one, I guess, 114% gain, and then I guess that's it because 34% gain. So when I got the membership and I was gonna see all these past positions, I was thinking I'm gonna see a whole bunch of them with like 800% gain, 700% gain, 1,000% gain. I wasn't expecting to see so much negative, so much But I guess like so I on my past videos I did another video where like I wrote down all the losers for 2018, and then I wrote down all the winners for 2018, and at the end, like the average, like he still ended up making his members money. So I'm not saying it's everything's bad here, you know, but it does take a lot of money to buy every single recommendation he has. Um, so I think on my other video with all the losers and all the winners, he still ended up like if you would have bought exactly when he told you and sold exactly when he told you, you would have made 700 and something percent gain, and that's if you if you did if you bought all the ones for 2018 and you still had them, because some of these like these some of them are from 2018 and they're still like he still has his money on them and they're still being he still owns the companies, like he hasn't sold them. So I can show you. Okay, so on my Excel graph that I was showing you guys earlier, I mentioned a pot stock, right? So this is the pot stock. The current price is at 628. That was the last price for Friday, November 15th. But so that one they bought it in February 28th, 2018. So they've been holding that for almost 2 years. But at one point they were right now it's negative 23%. But at one point in May when I bought it, when it was $16 a share, they were up 100 and something percent, maybe 110% or something like that. But so I guess they're still holding on it. They still believe that it's gonna turn around and it's gonna shoot back up, because it's a cannabis stock. So but there's some that he has here from 2018, like for instance this one 2018. Oh, it's at negative 14%. But he does have good ones like this one, 126% gain. I was bought in 2018, and I think there's a 300% gain somewhere here. This one, see, this one was bought in 2018 too, and it has a 334% gain. So he does have some good ones that are still open, and he still owns these stocks, and their members probably still own them because like uh he'll give the green light whether you should sell it or hold on to it. If it's still here, like if it still says buy, action to take buy, that's pretty much telling you still need to hold on to this stock. Not until it's um, recommended for you to sell, you can continue holding, and that's what he recommends. But so for these open ones, that's 300 is the biggest one. The next biggest one would be maybe this one, 117. There's 110%. There's no 200% here. No, they're pretty much all 100. All the next ones are 100. 84%. So 334 is quite a bit. That's pretty much like if you put in 1,000, 334%, you make 3,000 on top of your 1,000. So 3,340, which is not bad. So thanks for watching my video. I just wanted to put this out there because I know there isn't no customer YouTube videos about um, Banyan Hill that I've found. Most of the videos are by the company itself, like not it's not by customers. But yeah, all these subscriptions and memberships they offer right here. This right here is the premium one, the more expensive one. Inner Circle, 8-figure fortunes, 10 million portfolio. Like for the 10 million portfolio, supposedly the stocks he recommends have the potential to go up 1,000 to 16,000%. So I don't know if it's true, but um, the way I see extreme fortunes, that might I mean it might be true on some of the stocks, but not the majority of them. But yeah, all these are subscriptions that are offered through Banyan Hill, and so yeah, I just wanted to do this review, and I think I'm gonna do like a review every month. So I did one for November, and I'm gonna do one in December, um, January, so on and so forth. But like for the recommendations for December, January, I'm probably not gonna buy into because I'm trying to save up money. I might buy the recommendations for next year though, depending how things go. And I also have another YouTube video on um, Acorn investing app. I'm putting $240 a month every month, and it's something I want to do long term, 9 years. It's pretty much something I'm doing for like a down payment on a house. Like if I can do this for 9 years, I'm gonna be able to maybe afford a down payment on a home um, in the future. But yeah, just thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped anybody who's thinking about getting this subscription, and that way they could get an insight on customer review and experience. Thanks again. Okay, bye.